What's up, everybody? It's Jay here, and today we're diving headfirst into the exciting world of woodworking with a countdown of the top 10 must-have woodworking machines for 2025. Before we start, could you please like the video, share it, and subscribe to our channel? Also, hit the notification bell for more updates. Whether you're a seasoned wood whisperer or just starting out on your woodworking journey, having the right tools can make all the difference. We've scoured the workshops, combed through the catalogs, and put in the hours to bring you a list of game-changing machines that will take your woodworking game to the next level. So grab your safety glasses, put on your shop aprons, and let's get started. First up on our list is the Teak Pro, a beast of a machine when it comes to splitting wood. It can handle logs up to 48 millimeters in diameter and 60 centimeters long. And get this, it comes standard with a still saw chain and an enhanced lubrication system. The only downside? Well, it's a bit of an investment at around $22,000. But hey, you get what you pay for, right? Next up, we've got the QSH Saw Horse, and let me tell you, this thing is a lifesaver, especially if you're working solo. This sturdy sawhorse can hold logs up to 4 meters long and 25 centimeters in diameter. It keeps those logs steady and secure, so you can focus on making those perfect cuts without worrying about your work flying across the workshop. And the best part? It's only $100. That's less than a fancy dinner, but this thing will be your woodworking companion for years to come. Now, if you're looking for a sawhorse that can handle even more weight and give you that extra level of stability, then the BLS-3H is your new best friend. The BLS-3H can support a whopping 250 kilograms. And here's a cool safety feature. The frame is designed so that your chainsaw only touches the wood, not the sawhorse itself. Plus, it's super affordable at just $56. Alright, let's crank things up a notch with the Max HD38. This beast is designed for those heavy-duty woodworking projects where only the toughest machines will do. It's got these patented rails made of high-strength galvanized steel, the same stuff they use to build bridges and skyscrapers. Of course, all that power comes with a price tag to match, around $13,580. But hey, you can't put a price on woodworking domination, right? Now, let's talk about cleaning up after all that woodworking action. That's where the Dino Firewood Tumbler comes in. It's like a washing machine for your firewood. This ingenious machine processes your firewood by rotating it in a drum, and all that debris just magically disappears. You can choose between a fuel or electric power source depending on your needs and preferences, and here's a cool feature. It has 2 chutes that send the debris in different directions. They even sell just the drum if you want to build your own custom setup. How cool is that? Alright, let's talk about wedges. This is a hydraulic-powered wedge that's here to revolutionize the way you split wood. Forget about swinging a sledgehammer like a maniac. The Ram wedge does all the hard work for you. It uses hydraulic force to split those logs with surgical precision, minimizing vibration in the wood and making your life a whole lot easier. And at $2,420, it's an investment that will pay for itself in no time, especially if you're splitting a lot of wood. Now let's talk about hauling those logs around, and that's where Kahn's forestry winches come in. They're like the heavy-duty pickup trucks of the woodworking world. These bad boys are built for serious hauling with pulling forces ranging from 4.5 to 9.5 tons. You can choose between a steel or synthetic rope depending on your needs and preferences. The base model starts at $644, which is a steal for a machine this powerful and versatile. Alright, let's talk about firewood splitters. First up, we've got the FMMS, a smart log splitter that's like having a personal trainer for your firewood. It's designed to reduce strain on your back and shoulders so you can split wood all day long without feeling like you just ran a marathon. Now, if you're looking for a more budget-friendly option, the FM9LS is your new best friend. This simpler firewood splitter is only $50, but it still gets the job done. Alright, let's talk about hauling those logs around. This ingenious system weighs just 60 kilograms, which is lighter than a bag of cement. But don't let its lightweight design fool you. It can support loads of up to 500 kilograms. You can choose between a manual or electric winch, depending on your needs and preferences. The estimated cost is around $11,000, which is an investment that will pay for itself in no time, especially if you're hauling a lot of heavy logs. Alright, let's talk about pruning those tall trees. This incredible machine guarantees a working height of up to 23 meters. It features a fiberglass boom that's strong and lightweight, and a saw blade that rotates 180 degrees, so you can tackle any pruning job with ease. And here's a cool feature. The cabin has a touchscreen display and is password protected. Of course, all this technology comes with a price tag to match, around $280,000. Alright, let's talk about removing those pesky trees. This beast of a machine is built with T1 steel, the same stuff they use to build tanks. It's got 4 hydraulic cylinders that can generate enough force to pull a house off its foundation. It can pull out trees with trunk diameters of 152 millimeters for conifers and 127 millimeters for broadleaf trees. Of course, all this power comes with a price tag to match, around $25,000. Alright, let's talk about transporting those logs. This machine is like the limousine of the logging world. It's got a sleek design, a comfortable cabin, and enough power to haul a small house. It features a new transmission that's smoother than silk and multiple boom options to suit your specific needs. Sales are set to start in 2025, so mark your calendars, folks. Alright, let's talk about versatility. This machine is like the Swiss Army knife of the forestry world. It can trim dry branches, remove stumps, and do a whole lot more. The price starts at $14,500, which is a steal for a machine this versatile and powerful. Alright, let's talk about saw tables. This ingenious device motorizes the fence of your saw table, transforming it into something like a CNC machine. It increases your cutting speed 6-fold, which means you can get more work done in less time. And the best part? It's only $1,050. That's less than a new smartphone, but this thing will revolutionize the way you use your saw table. Alright, let's talk about precision trimming. This machine is like the laser cutter of the woodworking world. It's designed to trim boards to the exact length you need with no room for error. It handles boards with a maximum thickness of 5 centimeters and comes with a price tag of $425,000. Alright, let's talk about biomass. This machine is like the monster truck of the forestry world. It weighs 43 tons and boasts a whopping 1,000 horsepower. It's designed to grind wood for biomass pellet production, and it does it with ease. And the price tag? A cool $930,000? Alright, let's talk about stump removal. This ingenious attachment turns your excavator into a stump removing machine. It weighs about 100 kilograms and can break through asphalt like it's butter. And the best part? It's only $544. That's less than a new smartphone, but this thing will make you the superhero of stump removal. Alright, let's talk about firewood processing. This 3-in-1 attachment for excavators is like the Swiss Army knife of firewood processing. It can lift, split, and cut logs with incredible speed and precision. It's got a cutting speed of up to 20.5 meters per second. It's like having your own personal firewood factory. Alright, let's talk about Forestry Powerhouses. This beast of a machine is designed for cutting and processing trees, and it does it with incredible efficiency. It performs well on steep slopes thanks to its 8-wheel design, and it's packed with technology. It's got a smart forestry precision satellite positioning system, which means it knows exactly where it is and where it needs to go. Alright, let's talk about log lifting. First up, we've got the FM log jack, a simple but effective tool that holds logs in an elevated position, making it easier to work with the chainsaw. And then there's the FML, the big brother of the FM log jack. This bad boy lifts the entire log off the ground, making it even easier to work on. The FM log jack is only $63, while the FML is $119. That's a small price to pay for a back-saving, time-saving tool. And there you have it, folks. Our top 10 must-have woodworking machines for 2025. From wood-splitting powerhouses to precision trimming machines, these tools are sure to take your woodworking game to the next level. So, what are you waiting for? Get out there and start building something amazing.